Are you hungry? Tell everybody. Oh my goodness. Okay. Use your little paw. Say, yeah, Mama, I'm hungry. Hey, so we are going to be making tortilla homemade pizza. Think of a margherita pizza. So I'm going to use my flour tortillas that I picked up at Aldi. Everything I picked up at Aldi, and as you can see, it looks very simple other than I haven't pulled out my spices yet, like basil and parsley and oregano. But I'm going to slice up this Roma tomato into thin slices, and I'm going to put those thin slices on top of the tortilla. You might be wondering why I have avocado mayonnaise out. It's calling for that. I don't know how I feel about that yet, but I'll let y'all know after I taste it. And then this mozzarella cheese, I wanted to get a really nice one. I'm going to cut that into thin slivers, maybe not so thin slivers, and put it on top of the tomatoes. The tomatoes acting as my sauce. And then I'm going to put some garnish of spinach on top. I need something quick for dinner. This is a very simple single ingredient recipe, and that's what I like to fuel my body with. So here we go. I'm using my Pampered Chef pizza stone and laying the tortilla wrap on top. Now I'm using a butter knife to just spread that avocado mayonnaise all over it. I'm being pretty generous here. And here's Charlie, always with me when I cook. I secretly love it. And then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning to that mayonnaise, and it's going to stick so well, along with some oregano. Fun fact, I've had this oregano container since college. I definitely need to replace it. All right, I'm gonna cut this Roma tomato into as thin as slices as possible. Some of the juice is gonna come out, and that's okay. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes anyway, but I'm trying to train my body to like them. I'm going to put these on top of my tortilla in an artsy kind of fashion, spreading them out evenly. This is truly the fun part for me. Probably even more fun than before with the tomatoes. Cutting this mozzarella cheese is so satisfying. It's just so squishy. I tried to cut them as thinly as possible, but it's okay if they are thicker. It really does melt all over the place. I'm now going to put these on top of the tomatoes, making sure that when they melt, it covers them. Next, for the spinach, I have rinsed it off with water, and I'm going to strategically place this on top. You don't have to, you can just put it on top in one little heaping toss. I was just having a lot of fun at this point. We're now gonna finally add some basil leaves on top of this and get it into the oven. And it goes! See you soon, yummy pizza! It's perfect! Isn't that just the cutest margherita pizza you've ever did see? And some Charlie hair. Of course, what else is new? Super yummy. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on top now. And maybe some more oregano. We'll see. So instead of some more oregano, I've decided to add some parsley flakes and then that Parmesan cheese. This just keeps getting better and better looking. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try this. Okay, so I took longer in the bathroom for my makeup to be done, but this smells amazing, and it's not as cheesy, like gooey anymore, which is my favorite, but I'm gonna try it now. And first add a little bit of pepper, all the seasonings on this pizza, and let's give it a try. I want to try this one first. Oh gosh. It's really, really good. It's really, really good. Mmm. A little messy. A little messy. And I already put on my lipstick. But fine. Tastes like pizza. Soft your hair, crunch your hair. Mmm. I'm so not cute when I eat. So not cute. It's really, really good though. That mozzarella is just so yummy. Mmm. 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 Tastes like pizza. A healthy version of pizza. This was a go. It's good.